Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the latest innovations from Huawei, which is called the P50 Pocket, and it has a foldable OLED panel on here at 85 screen to body ratio, 120 hertz for the refresh rate, an outer 1.04 inch display at 3040 times 3040 with 328 ppi on the outside, but that's only on the outside, right? Because and it's going to have that 120 hertz as well. You can get all your notifications on the outer option there, and you can also scroll through a few apps on the outer option as well, which kind of looks cool because this thing is such a small form factor, but it's going to pack so much convenience in such a small form factor, and it's going to be released in and available in December 23rd for the market. But the only thing is that it's not coming to the US or anything like that. It's going to be released in like India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, things of that nature, Iraq and things like that, but like China and stuff like that. But this does have 8 gigabytes of RAM or 12, depending on which model you choose, 256 or 512. Triple camera setup, which is the 40 megapixel. Also, we have a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, 32 for the front facing camera, and it records in 4K 30 frames per second, as well as the electronic stabilizer inside of here as well. So pretty cool features that we do get on here. We also do get 5 watts reverse charging, as well as fast charging up to 40 watts with a 4000 milliamp hour battery, which is going to be pretty sick. The only thing it doesn't really have is a headphone jack, but it's gonna have the Bluetooth 5.2 NFC on board, but no infrared sensor on here. I would have liked to see the infrared sensor on here, but let me know what you guys think about the Huawei P50 Pocket. I definitely think this is a really solid device coming up, and then it's already out, but I definitely think it looks pretty solid. Let me know what you think about in the comment section, and I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.